Girl, you're doing too much, but I'm not doing enough. Hey, you're getting too close, but not close enough to touch. Mess around, get a little bit on ya. Ha. Can't say I never tried to warn ya. The sun do more to warm ya.
Hello Calgary, Autobody Brokers here today. Just got another car we're gonna help out, use Autobody Brokers. We have two new locations, one in Red Deer, one in Edmonton, and now Calgary, and opening in Saskatoon soon. Give us a call, get your free brokering of your collision or scratch, dent, 3M, anything that you need on your vehicle. You give us a call, we'll broker it. We'll guarantee the best price, best warranty, and above all, very good workmanship. You get free live feeds of your vehicle being worked on. So if you want to check on your baby, you just Google and there you go. Have a